What's going on? Oh, just getting my stuff up. Good morning. Pom pom pom. Pom pom pom. Pom pom pom. All right. Let's see what we get. What up? What up? Good morning, people. Good morning. Good morning. I now reload this. Am I going to get that same setup? Tell me I'm going to get the same setup. I am going to get the same setup. I like that. I like that a lot. What up, Sleeper? What up, Pine Tree? Trying. I gotta pull up. I got this up. I normally don't play super early like this, but I'm playing small. Playing small. If I get stopped out, it'll be my last trade before the market. All right, time to now wait. Time to wait it out. Little head and shoulders. Little head and shoulders we getting. I don't know what just happened there. I gotta edit this. I gotta set my Get my settings going. I don't know why my settings for take profit and stop loss. Yeah, dude, everything's done as of yesterday. Everything's done. Bum, 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 bum. Just scalping that. Scalping that for a little dump. I'm not gonna touch. I'm off now. Let's see what happens. See, so if you look at like the higher time range, the time frame, this looks like we're about to dump. This honestly looks like we're about to just unload. And I might take a 5 mini here. Oh shit. Well, I'll take that real quick. If we get up again, I'm gonna take a 5 mini, 5 micro, and hold for short. That's the play. That is the play. Man, they just bounced that. Look at that right there. Holding it. Holding it, holding it. Nope. Holy shit. Dude, we're gonna have a massive 5-minute range here. That sucks. Just my bias. My bias was to the downside, and we basically fucking got it. Holy shit. I've been talking about the downside. I was going to buy at 310. I'm going to flip that. I mean, the play's over already. Fuck, man. We already traded through it. I would love to see us come all the way back up. Kind of consolidate and drop. I don't know if it's going to come up. This thing's looking weak. Dude, today has been fucking awesome. I don't know if you're following in the Discord, but today has been an awesome, awesome day so far. Boom! Up almost $3,000. Start my morning off. This shit's just gonna drop. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. It just seems weak. I still hate trading the first 15 minutes. Just so you guys are aware. Man, this thing's pulled to the down. Pulled to the downside. Oh, my eyes. Get it back into like 330. What up, Ace? What up? What up? You know, I've been talking about this short before the market, and we got it, and I wasn't in yet. So now I got to sit here and see what happens. I want to see a bounce. Can't just keep going down. You know, it won't get any of my money if we just keep going down. I kind of want to see it. Just looking on different time frames, what we're dealing with. You know, we're super stretched. And we're not even 15 minutes into the market. So I'm not looking. Honestly, over 93 is probably not a bad. I'm just looking for. Can I get a little bit? No, they're just going to unload this thing. Trying to get this over. This would be another funded account. I just feel like we're stretched. This is some real FOMO shit that you're watching. You know, I don't necessarily want to see that can happen really freaking quick. So basically, I mean, that looks like a change of direction. Yo, what up, DeCrucial? What up, what up? Smash the old like button. We got 4 minutes until we settle these orbs. Yo, Ivan. What up, player? I'm watching. No juice. Nah, they're not fucking pushing it. Shoot to sold. What up? What up? See, I mean, I was looking for hard volume to the downside, and that's why I got out even. I gave it a little bit. I'm just, you know, I don't want to see wicks. Wicks mean they're buying it back up. Am I going to regret that I didn't take this short later on? I think we get demolished today, too. Oh, my finger's on the trigger button. Break this low. Just fucking break it. Break this low. Probably get around 50. I should just listen to my own advice. I sell too soon. Too soon, Junior. You know, like I took that off. Well, I took it off because it was at 68, but I could have gotten fucking 20 more points. I talk about this shit all the time. I'm just so worried that we're so stretched. We are literally down 120 points. So, yeah, to me, I'm a little, you know, there's a risk reward in this where, like, you know, how much lower do you think we're going to go without seeing a bounce? And that's why, I guess if I had more contracts, I would have moved to break even with half of them, took half of them off. And then if we broke this low, then, you know, kind of took it. Now I'm looking for some type of candle structure. I can't short it down here. I mean, fucking, we just dropped in this one candle. I mean, I'm not going to chase it. Does it look ready to bounce? Not really. I'm wondering if we get a bounce right here. This is 945. I'm curious if this is super risky. The only reason I'm taking this, I literally just scalped it only because they created a 945 orb right there, and I just got some of my money back. I want to see come on, bounce at least, push it to 57. Well, I'll take that. Just getting some of my money back. There's just no structure yet. And that's the biggest thing that you got to look for. You know what I wanted to add on my chart was the lows of other sessions. Session sweeps. Cool. We have to get rid of an indicator. What indicator am I going to get rid of? I can't have two SMT divert. Actually, I'm going to get rid of this fucking unicorn thing. I want to see the sessions. Oh, shit. London. Was this the bottom of London? No. It's just showing you that this was London time. Oh, interesting. Here was the London. London starts at 3. So this was London lows. I'm going to have to look for a good one. Good morning, Marie. Good morning. Good morning. This is make or break it right here. I might actually hold this one now that I made back some of my. Let's see if we can get down to. Let's see if we can get down to 20,200. Market feels heavy. This is the bottom orb, though. We're at right here. So it's very interesting. We're below it. We're below the orb. Sell through. Sell through, biatch. Dump it for daddy. Dump it. I'll take fucking $90. See, that's why I need more contracts. I would have sold half right there, and then half I probably would have moved down to my break even, and then I would have rode that. Probably should have bought fucking 10. See, that's dangerous. See that right there? Because they are going to push it. Okay, because they flashed it under, so it would have caught anybody's sells. And I wonder if they just push it right back up, just like a sweep of liquidity, and then they're going to just jack it back. See that right there, how we swept the lows and now we've reclaimed after being down this far. It's starting to seem like we're going to find a bottom, or at least a near-term bottom. It's getting riskier to short every time. Also, the pushes, the dumps are becoming less, which means the sellers are starting to dry up. If you look at cumulative delta, seems like we're starting to turn this thing around. I mean, we are right the fuck in here. On this chart, showing this support. I would love to see, we get to 20,179. I'm definitely freaking ripping it. I just don't know if we get there on this push. You were getting a zero bounce, though. This is a nothing but burger bounce. Just sweep it down and take me out. Nope, held it. Right here is the 15-minute orb. You're breaking inside of it. The fuck just happened there? Break over 50. I don't get why I'm having a little issues with my my quant tower. Weird. What up, Ray? Man, they are just fucking relentless. What? I was playing for the reversal that never came. Yeah, I feel you. What the fuck? Did this just get? Oh my god. Oh, I just lost that account at the fucking bottom. Oh, this shit's gonna dump. Yo, I swear, every time I stream in the morning, I get smoked. Every single time I stream in the morning, I do not do well. Oh, oh. I got stopped out at the very bottom. Watch it come all the way back. Let's see if it holds it. Honestly, I've been talking about the downside the whole fucking time since this morning. I'm just holding this account. This account can roast. It's going to stay short. I'll blow this account. I don't care. My thesis has been short since this morning, and it's just been fucking ridiculous. Yo, if it bounces, it bounces. I could care less at this point. It looks like complete dog shit. If I lose the account, I lose the account. I'm tired of getting yo-yoed. I just feel like it's going to go down. It feels freaking, market feels heavy. Just seems like we're consolidating here. I'm getting wicked out. So might as well just go in and I'll just wait until, although everything looks like it's going to go up. Indicators are starting to turn up. We're fucking completely washed out to the bottom. Everything does tell me a bounce is incoming, but just one of those days. This account's gone. Damn. Wouldn't be surprised if they take it up like freaking massive amount of points. Here's the first point. See what happens. If they get it over the 34, if they get it over this 34, it's probably going to rip. Got a lot of momentum to the upside. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. They're back inside the 15-minute orb, which is usually going to go see the upside of it. Wouldn't be surprised if they at least test this again. 256. We just got it. We just got that. Let's see what happens. Are they going to just push it like fucking gangbusters here? I mean, you want to see a push. I mean, that was once it cleared right there, you got, up the little pullback and you blast back over it. It's typically a buy and you can scalp it out. Are they going to pull it back to the 34? Is the question. Man, it did feel like it was so washed out down there. Yeah, Sean. What up? What up? Here, since there's not a lot of people, we'll do for later on. Bum, 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 bum. So stupid. I freaking had the bottom too. I was talking about how the pushes were becoming less and less and less. I should have just, we were getting close to 20,200. Just don't take my own advice. $9.30. This is in VWAP. This is going to get recalculated if I zoom out. See, it just got recalculated. I'm learning to double check. Boom. Yeah, it was a good position to loss in the account before I caught the bounce, but scalping props in my live account, not a complete loss. Yeah. See, normally I wait for the bottoms to be made and then I wait for consolidation. So there really wasn't a bottom made until right here. You know, this is signifying trend change. We're up, we pull back, and that's where I bought. That to me is a better buy than trying to find the bottom, unless you're near like a pivot point or something like that. Oh. I mean, now we're approaching. I wonder if they dump it here. This would be the dump spot. 310. Gets over. Maybe we see the 200, 326. I mean, they made up all this dump. They made up this entire dump today. They just made it back up. Gotta push it now. Gotta push it freaking up. Wonder if they hold it and make new highs. Hold it and make new highs. spot for a breather. Back down to 75 would be constructive. I don't know if they will bring it back down that far, but we are starting to roll. Good morning, everybody. Morning, morning. I don't know if they're going to bring this down, which is so crazy how we just dumped and now they like don't want to bring it down. Interesting spot. Honestly, I think if we can get out of here, you might see freaking the highs again. Crazy. Yeah, Keith, I wouldn't disagree. I mean, they're kind of consolidating it below 300. It's looking pretty good. I wouldn't be surprised to see a nice push back through 300. The trend's definitely up. Yeah, I mean, you definitely want to see some consolidation is what you really want to see. Uh, Down to 76 would be pretty nice. Oh, I think there's more consolidation to go. I don't think we're just going to ramp up here. I think you're going to come down maybe a little bit more. It's a pretty good candle. Got to get over. Got to get over. How many trades did I take so far? Like real trades or scalps? Like real trades, I took like 3 and got smoked in most. My first and then real one that I made was right here. I should have held longer. But other than that, I just kind of been scalping, and I tried to grab the bottom, didn't work. Made a trade in here on the downside. You know, scalps aren't like, to me, a scalp is just a quick opportunity to try to make a couple bucks. When I'm looking for like real trades where I'm going to make enough off that trade for that account for the day, it's completely different. You know, this is an iffy spot. I mean, you're right below VWAP, which, I'll be honest with you, if you break VWAP, we're probably going to go because you're going to be over 300, over VWAP. You probably blow through the 200 and probably test up here. Come on, just freaking destroy this thing up. I want to see skips. I want to see monster green candles. See, now to me, this is kind of getting iffy. You got the 200 here. You also have right here this resistance from earlier. I think if you weren't long, you're probably sitting this out currently. I wouldn't be entering up here. You've missed it. Wait for some consolidation, and it could keep going, but you just have a lot of things. We're kind of elevated. There's a lot of air under you. You're not even close to the 9. You're not even close to 34. I think at this point, you know, it was a good trade. We've played it long. Now I kind of sit it out and wait a little bit. Should have held. Should have held. Holy shit. Man, that was nice. That was a nice trade. Yeah, that was a great trade right up here. I caught that in I caught that in a bunch of places. Yeah, I was in so low. Honestly, the buy spot on the bottom, it was right here where I bought. That was the buy spot. The reason is a bottom was formed. You broke the channel. You came back a little bit, and then you went back over that candle. You went back over at 258 was the buy. The VWAP. The VWAP. But yeah, I mean, now you're getting close to 357 is basically 357 is basically the high of the trading session, and that would be where I'd possibly look for a short. But damn, everyone just piling in. Um, I mean, it might go again. It could definitely go again. I am just feeling like, to me, dude, there's got to be people just coming in here with multiple accounts. Gotta be. Boom, boom, boom. Got to be multiple accounts because there's no way that 7 people came in here and submitted for the raffle, but the numbers in the chat didn't go up by 7. Impossible. It's just impossible. It's just, I appreciate it, Ray, but it's just super impossible that 7 people just, because the chat couldn't have happened. I'm gonna see if I can just scalp this thing. I want to get this funded so bad. There we go. Getting it close. Another funded account here. The afternoon gang. Later on today, Kevin. Later on today, we'll have some. If I can get this over today, that'd be nice. I mean, this looks great to the up. I'm leaning more long than short. To me, you have a flag right here. You're kind of breaking out to the upside, but we've already just ran 140 points, so I'm not buying here. Bro, savages, savages. I am I just think that it needs an like a real pullback, maybe to VWAP, which is 312. You know, that's what I'm looking for, which would actually coincide with damn, but I mean, definitely some nice moves like the retest of the 34. Looks like it's running out of gas, to be honest with you. Kind of get it back around here, some consolidation. Maybe we go back up. I mean, we're definitely getting that consolidation right here. I just want to see a dump. Actually, you know what I'd love to see is a dump down here and then bought back up, consolidation, and then higher. That would be the ultimate. I don't know if we're going to get that. No, here comes. I mean, we're bouncing right off VWAP. If you can get that back over, come on, pump this thing. Pump it right here. Put in a nice fat green candle. Pump it to like 35. Come on, a little higher, a little higher. I want more. I want more. I'm being greedy here. There we go. There we go. Start getting some money in that freaking account. Come on, turn this thing around, man. If we get over 29, we could probably get some nice legs up to 57 is what I would probably say. Zadia, I think it rallies for the whole day. I mean, I hope it rallies right now. You caught that massive move with 5. That's solid. G Crypto, morning. Morning. Kind of looking rolling over-ish. They got a hold over here. Got a hold. Stopped out. Not holding. Not holding at all. All right, I'm going to be back on today. I came on real quick. It's just fucking unloading. I wonder if it goes all the way down to like 46. They buy it back up to 17. It's very interesting. But that's a shit bounce. Maybe 84. I don't know. I'll be on 2 o'clock. I'll be on today. So we'll do an account giveaway today. Have some fun. I'll see you guys at 2 o'clock. Peace.